Yeah, training and content's great, thanks. I'd look forward to getting the slide packs, of course, and any additional stuff that will pop through tomorrow via the email. And yeah, I think I'm going to get a lot of use from this and the other stuff that Steve has put us on. I'm getting to kind of either start from scratch or pretty much rip up and start again a lot of the sort of process policies and stuff around security program management at my place. So yeah, a lot of this stuff and the ISO things are very relevant right now and are giving me a lot to think about. So no, all good. It's been great. Thanks a lot.